This 2018 through 2019 school year, the Mid-Willamette Education Consortium awarded our AG program at John F. Kennedy High School the MWEC CTE Mini Project grant. With this grant, we purchased real career electrical wiring kits. The kits, consisting of 13 lesson hours of material, focus on basic wiring skills, electrical safety, and electrical principles. They are taught using a battery-powered wall panel and all the electrical components needed to configure common household and building wiring. Pictured here are standard-sized power outlets, light bulb sockets, and the wall panel. Through the use of the MWEC CTE Mini Project grant, students have learned the basics of electrical wiring. They can demonstrate correct wiring techniques, understand the electrical do's and don'ts, and have become more confident in their ability to work with electricity. Here, we have students installing their standard power outlets into their battery-powered wall panels. Thank you so much for the opportunity to give students real-world carpentry experiences that will help them go into careers in the future.